Every single day of my fucking life I was searching for the direction, for perfection at the night, perfection after the fight, perfection after this world. Cause I want to explore every inch of it like my girl. I climb up down on top onto all over again. Cause you'll never get to see it, cause it's mine, not men's. Because this is my way or the highway. I'm living my life, I'm doing it right, and that is okay. Because as soon as I can get to where I need to be, then you'll start seeing me maybe on that satellite TV. But who knows, we keep going to get them flows. Yes, I might not be able to rap, but I can fucking flow. Don't really care though, don't really matter what the fucking haters got us to say. Doesn't really matter what they're gonna do anyway. They can just walk away. Do it right all the time, every night. Party so fucking hard that I had my brain twice. I lost my mind, I still haven't fucking found it. Well, Lil Weezy said it, but you know what? I'm still out there found it. Being found is only when I become lost. I've been looking for myself for too damn long. Too many days I've been away from my own self. I broke a lot of my rules and I dishonored myself. Cause the rest of it is really just the show. I might have had a fucking blast, but that's all else. What? Never gonna stop to get my fucking grind on. Never gonna stop, never gonna pop till the day it gets grinded on. Because we make our own, turn it into money. Hell, we'll turn $50 into over 1,000 stack money. Because we good like that, we've always got big hearts. I'm talking about me and the mirror, that's our only parts. I'm two people in one person, and that's okay. Cause I've actually got a third personality in my brain. It talks, it tells me things to do. I might be going fucking crazy. Oh wait, too late, dude. Because I've got the papers to prove that I am insane. But really, they're just scared of how powerful my brain has become. It's now starting to be a fucking threat. Though they coming at me, SWAT team ready in their ear and net. Got a gun to my face, saying get down on that blow. Tell them fuck you bitch, this isn't your fucking home. And best believe I get in a little bit of stuff trouble. But trouble is my name. Hell, it's my middle, not my double. Because it's always triple overdosed, and that's some trouble. Because every time I overdose, everybody hugs above you and tells you that you was doing wrong. Like why the fuck you can't change on drugs, says my mom. Because I'm not that guy, I'm not the one to be normal. I got crazy up in my mind, and that makes me abnormal. Otherwise I would be doing just what I need to do. Always gonna be with you, I'm always here to see with you. You said as long as I stayed out of trouble like every day, at least you gave me the chance to back up in your house a second time today. Cause I left you a long time ago. I was about 16 years old when I started smoking that dro. It caused me and my mom to split like a bomb, like a grenade held in your hand. Now you ain't even got a palm. But that's okay, we mended it and our relationship is great. Because no matter what you ladies think, my mom is great. She is the best and she will pass the test. And trust me, you little lying ass, she can't make the mess. She can build it out, she will fucking figure it out all about you. Hell, she won't even have to hear one word. She might just start shouting at you. Okay.